In the year 1380, a pivotal moment in Russian history unfolded on the vast plains near the Don River. It was a time of great turmoil, as the Russian troops, under the leadership of Dmitry Donskoy, faced off against a formidable mixed army of Tatars and Mongols. As the sun dawned on that fateful day, both sides were ready for a battle that would determine the fate of a nation. The Battle of Kulikovo would become a defining moment in Russian history, marking the beginning of the end of Mongol domination. Dmitry Donskoy, the Grand Prince of Moscow, emerged as a courageous and determined leader. His vision was to unite the Russian principalities and free them from the Mongol yoke, which had lasted for over 2 centuries. The battlefield, strategically located near the Don River, offered both advantages and challenges to both sides. The Russians knew the terrain well, and this familiarity would become a key asset. On the opposing side, the Tatars and Mongols, though initially confident, faced their own set of difficulties. Their mixed army struggled to maintain unity, with differing tactics and leadership disputes. The battle raged on, a ferocious clash of steel and courage. The courage of the Russian troops was unwavering, and they fought valiantly to halt the advance of the Mongol Tatar forces. In the midst of the chaos, Dmitry Donskoy led his men in a daring charge into the heart of the battle. His leadership inspired his troops to stand firm against the Mongol onslaught. When the dust finally settled, the battlefield was a haunting testament to the fierce struggle that had taken place. The Russian troops had achieved the impossible. They had defeated the combined might of the Tatars and Mongols. The Battle of Kulikovo marked a turning point in Russian history, instilling a renewed sense of pride and unity among the Russian principalities. It was a battle that halted the advance of the Mongol Tatar forces and paved the way for the eventual liberation of Russia. Subscribe to my channel if you like these historical videos and click on the top left box for the story of the Battle of Borodino, the bloodiest clash of the French invasion of Russia. Thanks for watching.